How's it going, everybody? John here again with Toplight DJ, and today's video is a treat for you all. A lot of you guys have been wondering how to set up the Novastar VX400, which is the controller that comes with either our DJ Facades, both of them, the 5-foot and the 6.5, and our LED video wall. And that's today's video, so tune in for this. So you just bought your first DJ Facade from Toplight DJ and you don't know where to start? This is it. I got my man Marcus here with us. That's going to help us with all the technical aspects in regards to setup, settings, and basically to get you started. So for the most part, I know we always QC, quality check all of our items, all of our products, all of our electronics, make sure they're in good working, optimal condition when it reaches you. So we have all these set up already, so all you really have to do is plug and play. But that might not be the case for some folks that just want to play around with it and see what the switches do, see what the settings do. So this is the video for you. So while Marcus is our technician, I'm going to be the first time buyer, and I'm going to play it like I don't know anything about the DJ Facade. So let's get this started. Marcus, what are the dimensions of this DJ Facade?
So what we have right here, this is our 6.5 foot DJ booth. So it's 80 wide, 25 deep, and 44 high.
Okay.
In inches.
Pretty good size for DJs. And what else can you use it with as far as utilization? I know not only DJs, but what else can I use it for?
Well, there are those who bought this as a bar and a receptionist desk.
Wow, okay. So if you have a business that you want to deck out, you can use this for your lobby, entrance, and receptionist desk. And if you're a mobile bartender, you can still use it as that as well. And you can still utilize the LED video that we're about to get into. Okay, what's the weight of this?
So the 6-foot one is 230 pounds. The 5-foot one is 200.
That's right. So we offer this in two models, 5-foot model and a 6.5-foot model. Alrighty, moving on. When I order a DJ Facade LED video, the whole thing, the whole 9 yards, what comes with that package order?
Okay, so you're gonna get, for the 6-foot one, you're gonna get 6 panels of video panels right here. Okay. Acrylic covering, obviously the DJ Facade. You can come with a road case and then your Novastar VX400.
Right on, okay. Since he did mention the Novastar VX400 controller, we're gonna move on to that. So moving on to the VX400 controller that all DJ Facades and LED video walls come with, we're gonna move on to that. How do I turn this on and how do I get started?
All right, so right now this is gonna come like you got it from the factory.
Right.
So we gotta set this up. So obviously, plug the power, turn it on, and let's wait for it to boot up.
So once you've turned on the power, this is what you should see here. And of course, the first thing you want to do once you receive your DJ booth and you have it assembled and ready to go, once you have your LED panels connected, you're going to want to put some video content on there to display. So let's go start with a laptop.
So here we go. I have this laptop. As you can see, it's playing a video. Right? I have an HDMI cable right here. And then from here, I will connect this to this one, the first HDMI port. All right.
Nice. Okay, as far as connection, other than HDMI, what else does it have? What other connections does it have?
So this one has 2 HDMI ports, DVI, SDI, and optical ports.
Oh, nice. Okay, so quite a few different channels to go with. So you just connected the laptop first. Now, how do I project that image onto the LED panels?
Okay, so first thing you want to do, if you have an external monitor, plug this one to this port right here, right? And then now you have an Ethernet Cat 5.
Hold on, what does the external monitor do?
The external monitor basically allows you to see from behind your DJ booth what you're displaying in the front.
Oh, nice, okay.
Yeah.
Now, how do I start displaying onto the LED panels itself?
I have this Ethernet cable, Cat 5, that's connected to the panels. So all I need to do is go on port 1, plug that in, and I'm gonna start seeing feed.
Okay, but right now, how come the feed doesn't look right?
Obviously, it doesn't look right just because we didn't set up for the Novastar to read how many panels we have.
Okay, let's set that up. Show us how to do that.
So from here, you click this button, screen configuration, quick configuration. So obviously we have row, column. On row, we have one row of panels here. So we leave that at 1. Cabinet, column, we go 6 because we have a 6-foot DJ booth right here. There we go. And then data flow, you go here. Actually, this one.
Wow, okay. So that's playing on the laptop here. And you can also see it there as an external monitor, and that's what you see projected onto your LED DJ facade. So that's very, very cool. Moving on. Wow, that's pretty simple. But before we move on, I want to let you guys know that all controllers are already set up for your specific DJ facade, so you don't have to do all of that menu settings yourself. We want to make sure it's easier for you guys to plug and play. But so we've just gone through the settings of the Novastar to get our first laptop running and displayed here, and as well as showed you guys how to get an external monitor displayed on your side as the DJ, so you can see what you're projecting on the LED panels. Now, as a office guy myself, I have multiple laptops, but let alone DJs out there, you guys gotta have multiple laptops too. So if you have 1 or 2 extra laptops, how do I connect another one, Marcus?
All right, so I have another laptop here, right? Is this on?
Yeah, let me just...
There you go.
Let me log in here. Okay, so you have another laptop. How do I connect that?
Obviously, we're gonna go use HDMI again, right here. So you go to the back, and you're gonna have this port. That one right there.
Which is another HDMI port.
Plug it on there.
Okay.
Now go here.
Now how come I don't see it under the LED panels yet?
Just because we have it on input 1 right now.
Okay.
If we click input 2.
Oh wow, just like that.
There's your laptop.
Just like that, you display another source of video. As long as you have another HDMI connection, you can connect that. Let me just put it on YouTube. Automotive race, just a short video. Something long, yeah. And just like that, he was able to connect another laptop to the controller, and you could toggle between which video feed you want to see by pressing the channel you want to see. So this is the first laptop, and you want to switch to that laptop, just go ahead and press channel 2 or HDMI 2, and it toggles between 2 ports, and now you're displaying another video. So we showed how to toggle between different laptops, and of course showing you the external monitor that you see in the back and another laptop. So we switched over just to see that how to toggle between them through the HDMI. But imagine yourself as the DJ or the host wanting to broadcast and or show, live stream a bride and groom or a birthday celebrant or a quinceañera celebrant live on the screen while you're doing the DJ and while you're playing music. Marcus can show you how to do that with...
All right, so we have this Sony camera right here, HDMI cord. From there, the same port that we used earlier for the other laptop is what we're gonna use for the camera. So from here, HDMI 2, and you're live.
So, just like that, you can broadcast live stream on the video of the DJ facade, imagining a bride and groom dancing on the first dance, bride and father dancing on their dance, or just a whole crowd partying and seeing themselves broadcasted live on the screen. That is one event they will never forget. And let's get honest, bringing the service that you provide to your guests with these kinds of extra wow factors is gonna be the difference maker between the service you provide and the service they provide. So we have wrapped up this video tutorial and how to set up and use the VX400 video controller that comes with your DJ facade and or LED video wall. So for any other questions, feel free to reach out to myself, Marcus, and the team here at Toplight DJ. Thank you for tuning in, and we'll catch you guys on the next video.